President Dr. William Ruto Niwaweta kana katiba ka nthi ya Kenya ni ka Kila, Mwenenthi, Aithingiliila kana ni aki ila si nthini wa katiba Undu, Umwe na Ukumu ula Kenaw'o Ukwete kila Mukenya ainene acha thini cha kutania miaka 16 itina wa Kenya kukwata katiba keu. Ruto Niwaweta kana aki siaki katiba sielite kwatiwa na withianu ona huyo vo Mutongoi wa Kyama cha Patriotic Dr. Kalonzo Musyoka Niwookilya Mokulyo Yiulu wa Undu Silikali ya Kenya Kwanza Yithiitwe Yithukumithya katiba aiweta kana kuma President Ruto osa Mutongoi uthukumi nthini wa Silikali cia mutiuko nuthukite mwaka mweu ni wavika cha thini kiu na tumbanesia ili vote.
Wakenya waamka kujituma na kuanza kujenga taifa lao. Wanajeshi hawa wataenda kuuzindua upande ule wa pili.
Umuthi wi muthenya wa kutania miaka 16 ya Kenya makwata katiba keu. Vala Nthi na Mutongoi maende na kukunikila uthukumi wako na utethio wako kula kwi Nthi.
16 years ago, we gave ourselves a transformative constitution.
16 years of devolution, for example. Is this president and this administration committed to devolution?
Aina na cha thini cha kutania miaka 16 ya katiba keu kila chatwewa nyumbani ya mumbanio ya KCC kaunti Nthi. President William Ruto Niwaweta kana katiba ni ka kila mundu na hukumu wako ni wewe wovete Nthi na mivia yonthe ya Silikali Aithingiliila kana aki siaki katiba sielite kuendania na withianu.
The Constitution belongs to all of us. Its authority binds all of us. Its rights protects all of us. Its responsibilities call on all of us to account. Accountability cannot end with defending institutional territory, observing procedures, or publishing reports. Ultimately, we must account for outcomes, whether we have protected the sovereignty of the people, upheld human dignity, preserved constitutional order, used public resources responsibly, and brought the rights guaranteed by a constitution within the reach of more citizens.
President Ruto niwongela na kuweta kana withianu ndo elite kuendania na mitalatala yoka indi kithimi cha uthukumi wa katiba ni kuikithia kana Kenya ni matania akisio.
Our responsibility today is to fulfill its promise and build a democratic, prosperous, and transformed republic. That is the meaning of Katiba at 16. What we now say, Kenya yetu, wajibu wetu.
Kavinda ni kau Mutongoi wa Chama cha Patriotic Kalonzo Musyoka Niwaweta kana serikali ya President William Ruto nituletie maudhukumi ma katiba kake kwa kuanzia uthukumi wa Silikali cia mitiuko.
I co-chaired the NADCO committee. We recommended, for example, that even as we speak, counties should be getting not less than 20%, all right, of the shared revenue, up from 15%. Of course, some of us hold the view we'll give this a very serious matter consideration, and we propose 35%, from 15% to 35% of shared revenue, so that we can develop every part of this country. So these ones are giving lip service. And one of the things I've said is we have to give Constitution Day the greater significance than going to KICC and issuing a statement.
Ili voti ya vilingi wa movo nitoa mwaka mweu.